Okay, now let's talk about link groups. So the whole reason why we really redid the mobile apps in Cyberschool is that we got a lot of requests for link groups or icons within icons essentially. So this is gonna get a little bit confusing, but feel free to rewatch the video over and over until you get it. So edit icons, we're gonna open those up now. We're gonna add a new icon, and I'll call this link group A. And for the link type, I will set this as link group. Okay. I'm also going to change the icon just so we can discern it away from other icons. And I'll choose just this little apps one. Okay, so far so good. Nothing crazy. I just created a new icon, changed the icon associated with it, gave it a name, and changed the link type to link group. I haven't done anything else yet. So if I go ahead and save this, and save, it didn't go because I didn't add any links to it. Okay, let's do that again. Link group A, this is going to be a link group, and we're just going to give it that. Okay, so good little note there is we must actually add in some links for this. So I'm going to choose edit links, and I'm just prompted with this edit icons page again, but this time it's blank. So the icons I attach in here, or I create in here, are going to be attached to this link group. So I'm going to select add, and I'll just add a very simple one like events. That's fine. And then I'll add one for news as well. Let's see if we can get a news icon. That'll work out. Save. So this is starting to build now. Let's do one more. I'll just say Google, and we'll go to https www.google.com. So notice I can't choose a link group anymore. It's just module or URL there. The reason for that is because we can't have icons within icons within icons essentially. That would be insane. The amount of navigation on the user end would be too much for any one user to bother with. So I'll just choose Google logo, save one more time, and don't worry about this link to data stuff. This is really just all the stuff that we're linking to. So our link group has 3 icons inside of it, and so when I find this link group A, I'll go and select that, and we've seen this before. This is our left nav actually. But rather, this is our link group. We have a group of links together inside of this actual icon. And notice if I swipe left, unless I'm crazy, events, news, Google, it's probably doing that because swiping left just brings up the last opened drawer. So let's go ahead and open that back up. And let's go ahead and add in the module for side nav. Side nav module, open side navigation, save, side nav. So there's our static side nav from the edit left nav, and then our link group. Okay, and we can create more and more link groups. I can create a link group B as well. Link group B. This is going to be a link group that has, let's say, test A. Go into event, that's fine. Test B. And this is going to go to staff list. And we'll do test C. And this is going to go to alert list. Save. So link group A has events, news, and Google. Then link group B has test A, B, and C. And our side nav is still our side nav. Alright, so link groups, again, a little bit tough to get the hang of at first, but they're incredibly handy if we need to group together some information, like your board information or your lunch menu information or anything like that.